All right. So here's the equation. I'm not necessarily going to work it for you because then I'd be doing the assignment for you. So I'll tell you how. Here I've got the example from the assignment, and I've completed one row and one column for this Greg row. We add these up. Notice there's 1 0. That leaves 9 as the x, and x squared is thus 81. Going down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of 15 potential people. 8 out of 15 is 0.3, and there are more numbers after that, but it rounds to 0.53. For Q, it's the opposite. It's how many zeros out of 15. So that would be, instead of 8 out of 15, it'd be the opposite, 7 out of 15. If there are 8 ones, that means there's 7 zeros. So 7 divided by 15 is 0.47. You multiply those together and you get 0.25. As you can guess, 0.5 times approximately times 0.5 would be 0.25, and that's almost exactly what we would have after rounding. So now we've determined how to find x, x squared, p, q, and pq. You can easily complete that for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and for all 15 participants to get the x's and the x squareds. Then you can sum up sum of all x's, all those numbers, and put a number here. Then you can sum up all the x squared numbers and put that sum here. For the PQs, it would be everything in this row after you've completed PQ for each, multiplied them together, and gotten your PQ row. You'd sum up all of those 10 numbers and add them together, and you'd have the sum of your PQs. The sigma means sum. And so then we've got what we need. We can plug in at that point this number, sigma x squared minus sigma x, plug that in inside the parentheses, and then square it. Divide it by the number of participants or the number of items. So which is it? Determine that, and that is your n. Then n minus 1 would be 10 in this case if we're going by the number of items, or 15 if we're going by the number of participants or subjects or examinees. And so we take 15, subtract 1, and we get 14. So then we take the square root of this number minus this number divided by the sample, and then we would divide that by the sample size minus 1. And we'd take that quotient and take the square root of it. And that will be our S value. So, I know I didn't do it for you, but that should be enough information for you to complete the chart and then the calculation yourself. Thank you very much.